In this video we'll be looking at how to remove a background from a video, whether it's a green screen or whatever it is. You can remove the background in CapCut using just one click. So now I have opened my CapCut and I will remove the background from this video. You can see the first of all you have to drag this video into the main workstation here, and after that you have to click on the video, and this you have to click on the cutout. And now if you are using green screen or whatever, you can check out this chroma key, and if you are not using any other green screen or whatever you want, so you can click on the auto cutout and this will start processing this will take a little bit time, so you have to wait for it, and this will remove the background. So as you can see, it has removed the background from the video. Now if you want other background to be in place of that, you can drag out the background you want and put it here. Now this will be the main track, and I will drag this there, and now I will click on the main track and zoom this, scale it out, and now here you can see I will run this, and there we go. You can see the background has been removed, and you can see this is awesome, and you can do this in CapCut. So I hope this video will help you and you have enjoyed this. If you like the video, press the like button, also press the subscribe button in order to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching this.